The kitchen, the hub of the home. Be it a midnight snack or a delicious meal, we know just how important your kitchen upgrade is to you, and it requires careful planning. During the remodeling process, we are considerate of your space. Regardless of our mindful attention to your home, you will be without a kitchen at some point during the remodeling process. You may want to consider purchasing a hot plate, takeout, or grilling out. Again, we will do everything within our power to respect your space, and we appreciate the opportunity to speak with you about your dream kitchen.